Let's dive right into this explainer and learn exactly how to navigate Lorain County property records online for absolutely free. Honestly, whether you're a first-time homebuyer or a seasoned real estate investor, mastering this public data is basically your ultimate real estate superpower. Picture this. You find the absolute perfect property. The location is killer, the price is right on the money, and you're ready to make an offer. But what if a quick search reveals a hidden tax lien or some unresolved boundary dispute that could end up costing you thousands? Well, today we're going to learn exactly how to uncover those secrets before it's too late. In just a few minutes, you'll know how to pull back the curtain on literally any property in Lorain County. Accessing these records is an absolutely crucial, high-stakes step for homebuyers, sellers, and investors to dodge some massive financial risks. And the best part? You don't need to shell out cash for an expensive title researcher just to get the basic info. The county actually provides these tools to the public for free. Learning to use them puts you in the driver's seat to verify ownership history, check for encumbrances, and make truly informed real estate decisions. So here's our roadmap for today's explainer. Understanding the records, accessing the portals, conducting a search, navigating common pitfalls, checking out additional resources, and finally, a wrap-up and disclaimer. All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, Understanding Records. So, Lorain County has a massive real estate footprint. We're talking roughly 172,000 distinct property parcels. Because it's so big, the system is kind of fragmented. A really good way to think about it is this. The auditor is like the accountant, and the recorder is the historian. The auditor handles property valuation, tax assessment, tax mapping, and agricultural valuations. If you want to know what a property is worth or check its structural dimensions, the auditor is your go-to. The recorder, on the flip side, is dedicated to preserving historical land records. They're the ones indexing conveyance deeds, mortgages, easements, and liens. And just to round out the whole shebang, the Lorain County Treasurer acts as the collector. They handle the actual tax billing, histories, and payment statuses. Now let me introduce you to the Permanent Parcel Number, or PPN. This is literally the golden key of real estate due diligence. Sure, you could search by an owner's name or a street address, but those methods are incredibly prone to error. The PPN is a unique string of numbers assigned to a very specific geographic lot. It cuts right through all the noise. If you have the PPN, you have the absolute best starting point for your research, hands down. Moving right along to Section 2, Accessing Portals. You are definitely going to want to bookmark these specific websites because they are your free, direct gateways straight into Lorain County's digital archives. For property values, structural data, and maps, you'll head over to loraincountyauditor.gov. When you actually need to see the legal documents, the deeds, or if you need to check for liens, you'll visit loraincountyrecorder.gov and use their public access portal. And finally, for tax billing histories, the Treasurer's site is your destination. These are the official pipelines to the exact data you need. All right, Section 3, Conducting a Search. Let's see how this actually works in practice. By following this step-by-step process, you're putting yourself in a great position to bypass those frustrating indexing errors. First up, navigate to the portal. Let's say we're using the recorder's DTS PAX World public search portal. Second, you can usually just log in as a guest, or you can create a free account if you want easier tracking later on. Third, and this is key, skip the name and address fields entirely and directly enter your permanent parcel number. Finally, just hit search. You'll instantly be greeted with a list of recorded documents, transfer histories, past transaction dates, and prior owners dating back decades. It is literally that easy to pull up a property's entire history. You can also use the county's interactive GIS mapping tools to get some critical land insights, all without ever having to set foot in the administration building. Available right through the auditor's site, these digital geographic information systems let you view aerial photography layers, which are actually updated every few years. You can visually explore property lines, check out nearby parcels, and even see zoning overlays. It's an incredible visual aid if you're trying to really understand the physical layout of a property before you buy. Let's shift gears to Section 4, Common Pitfalls. Because even the best detectives hit roadblocks. Look, public records are entered by humans, and humans make typos. It happens. If you search for John Smith on Main Street, you might get hundreds of results, or you might get 0 if the clerk misspelled it with a Y. On top of that, recent land subdivisions can make addressing super chaotic. If you ever get stuck on an ambiguous street name or a misspelled owner name, just remember that using your PPN is the ultimate practical solution. The PPN completely bypasses all of those indexing errors, giving you laser-focused results every single time. Which brings us to Section 5, Additional Resources. I have to tell you about the Record Alert System. It's this incredible, completely free tool that acts as an early warning system for real estate fraud, which is massive actionable value for current homeowners. You just register your name or your parcel number, and if a document is filed without your permission, like a fraudulent lien or deed transfer, you get an instant email or text. Now, it can't stop the fraud from happening, but it gives you the warning you need to act immediately. And hey, if you ever need physical certified copies of a deed, you can always visit the recorder's office in person at 226 Middle Avenue in Elira. Finally, Section 6, Wrap-Up and Disclaimer. We have covered a ton of ground in this explainer today, from understanding those fragmented county roles to executing a flawless PPN search. You now possess the toolkit to look up property valuations, historical deeds, tax records, and visual parcel maps. But please remember that while these free tools totally empower you, you should always independently verify the data and consult a property law expert or real estate professional for specific advice. The county databases make every effort to be accurate, but as their terms of use note, they assume no liability for errors or omissions. Property info is always changing, and those online maps, they're visual references, not official legal surveys. So always use these tools as your first step in due diligence, definitely not your only step. Now that you have the skills to navigate these municipal databases like an absolute pro, the real investigative work begins. Armed with just a permanent parcel number and an internet connection, you hold the power to uncover the hidden history of your local real estate. So get out there and start digging. What secrets will you discover about your next investment?